Hello students, welcome to the online tutorial session. Today we will finish the last part of this chapter, number 4, the local area network. So today's topic is connecting the LAN segments. Okay, so in a large organization, there are several departments doing the different type of work. For example, an engineering firm may have an engineering group, purchase group, a sales group, etc. And moreover, these departments may be distributed over the different floors of building. Again, a large university may have the different departments based on the subject taught and the research done. So to put all the different work groups together, one can simply put them on the same LAN and let them communicate and interact with each other. Okay, so to develop such kind of a communication, so what we require? Okay, so we require that different type of LAN connections. Okay, or you can say the LAN segments. Okay, so two or more LANs are connected with each other using the connection devices like intelligent and devices are there. So what are those devices? So bridge, switches and routers are such devices used for linking different LAN segments together and restricting network traffic within the different LAN segments by effectively dividing the whole LAN into a separate broadcast and the collision domains. Okay, so we will learn about the bridge first. Okay, you are able to see the picture of the bridge over here. Okay, so first we need to understand the meaning of the bridge. What is bridge? Okay, so a bridge is another device used to connect the different LAN segments while passing only a certain specified traffic between them. Okay, so a bridge consists of two or more ports. Okay, where each ports connect to a different LAN segment. So what is the purpose of using the bridge? Is what? That breaking the larger network into the smaller segments. And number 2, connecting the different media types such as connecting UTP with the fiber optics or connecting different network architectures such as connecting Ethernet with a token ring. Okay, so we actually don't know what kind of a LAN segment LAN 1 is using and LAN 2 is using. That's why they can use a different type of technology, topology also. We are connecting, or they can using different kind of a cabling also. So we are connecting those small LAN segments through this bridge. Okay. Now there are different 3 types of bridge is available. That is local bridge. You are able to see the picture. Okay, so the bridge connects two LAN segments directly. In Ethernet implementation, it is known as the transparent bridge. In a token ring network, it is called the source routed bridge. Okay, so this connection is built on between two LAN segments. Now coming to the third one, that is a remote bridge. Okay, so this bridge is connected with the another bridge over a WAN link. Okay, so one bridge is there, one bridge is connected with the other one. Okay, and now coming to the wireless bridge, this bridge connects with another bridge without using the wires. Okay, so here one bridge, in case of wireless, you are able to see from the name you can determine that one bridge is connected with the other one but without using any kind of a cabling. Okay, any kind of a wireless wire. Okay, so it is also use radio signal. So if it is a wireless one, there is any connectivity they have to use to send the signals, so they are using the radio signals to connect. So in OSI layer, that in TCP/IP network models, the functionality of the bridge are defined in the physical layer and in the data link layer. We will discuss about the OSI model and the TCP/IP protocol in the next chapter. That point of time, you are able to understand what is the link layer, what is network layer, all those. Okay, so just like how bridge no longer used in the computer network, bridge has been replaced by the switches. So previously we are using the bridges, now it has been replaced by the switch. Okay, now Our next topic is repeater. Okay, so a repeater is basically used to boost or amplify a signal while it travels across a network. Okay, so actually this repeater operates in the physical layer of this OSI model, or we can say TCP/IP protocol. Okay, so what is its job? Its job is to generate the signal over the same network before the signals become too weak or corrupted, so as to extend the length to which the signal may be transmitted over the same network. So sometimes it happens that uh, when we are getting the signal become noisy, corrupted, or faint. Okay, very small signal, very thin voice of a thing. Connection is coming, network problem is somewhere, that you are calling someone and you are not able to hear the voice clearly. Okay, it may have happened, or just there's an ambiguity in the call, because you are not able to understand. You are able to understand that people are saying something, but you are not able to recognize what actually the person is saying to you. So this kind of things are actually why, just because of weak signals. So whenever the signals are tends to weaken, that point of time it boosts or amplify the signal. Okay, so thus it is used to extend the LAN segment without any data. So this is usually there is usually two port devices which connect an incoming cable with an outgoing cable and allow the data to move from one segment to another segment. Okay, and as you see, there is a unmuted signal and repeater is there. There is a distortion is there. When the first signal you are able to see this one, there is a distortion. First high, then the high bump you are able to see this one. It's lower down. Again it is lower down. Again it is lower down. Okay, the high altitude, the high magnitude one is again lowering down continuously. So does it means that the signals become weakening? So that point of time, what it will do? A repeater will boost the signal so that all the high bumps are, or high magnitude amplification one remains same. Okay. An example that is 10 base 5. Okay, Ethernet network actually using this. The maximum length of this is up to 2460 meter is possible using the repeater. Okay, with the total of 300 nodes on a whole. Okay, now okay, now moving to the next one, that is switches. Okay, so a LAN switch is similar to a multi-port bridge and can be used to link computers or several LAN segments. Okay, whereas bees are usually connect to network segments, switches are usually used to connect the single computer. Just like a network hub, a switch is just physically configured like a hub and functionally behave like a bridge. You can say it is the amalgamation of a hub and bridge. Okay. Um, so how actually switch working? So based on the MAC address of the destination node, a switch make a temporary connection between the source and the destination port. Okay, then it forwards the data frame from one source port to the destination port only. So the connection is terminated when the transfer is over. So you're able to understand, suppose when in earlier days how actually telephonic conversation is made. Okay, when actually the server is there. Okay, the source and destination is not there, are different port plugging type of switch is there. Okay, okay, you know that AV port in your TV. Okay, where actually you have to couple sorry, you have to couple the cable where from the set-top box the cable is coming. Okay, that one, that type of a thing is there. Okay, when there is a incoming call is done from one point of time to one, so they will detect that this signals is having which destination. Okay, so they will detect, and then they will build up a connection. How they will build up connection? Like there is a I have said that there is a AV port, and then you have to put a cable. Like this kind of a similar thing. They will find out the destination, and let in this particular port or switch, you can say, they will put the cable, and the actually initially, and not a permanent one. Okay, a temporary connection has been built. Okay, as soon as the call is over, okay, then temporary connection is again released. In this way, actually, switch is working. Okay.